Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a Flames program in Java. So I have already written the code because if I write the code during the video, the duration becomes very long. So I'll just explain the code to you. So the first step, as usual step, you create a class, you create a main method, you create scanner class, and you get two names, the boy's name and the girl's name. So let's say we have two names here, Ranbir and Alia, for example. So the first step, what we'll do is we will delete the common letters in both the names. So the first common letter here is A, and next the common letter is I. So we'll delete this and we will count the remaining letters and we will use it in the next step. So what we'll do here in the code is I am sending the names to a function called cancel. Now in this cancel, this process will take place, the cancellation process and the counting of the remaining letters, and it will return the number of letters that are unique in both the words. So I am storing the total length in total variable. A canc variable has been created to count the number of common letters in both the words, and this is the main function, the main program that does the work. It will take the first letter and the first word and compare it with all the letters in the second word. If it matches, it will remove that word. So for example, A is being matched here, so this A will be removed and LIA will be stored in N2. So like that program will run. So at last we get a value in CANC, that is the number of common letters. So we'll multiply it with 2 because we have two words, and we will subtract it with the total, and then we will return 2 cut. So let's say 2 cut returns 9. So the next step is we have to delete the ninth element, the ninth letter from Flames word. So the ninth letter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the ninth letter is affection, I guess. So we will remove that affection. So the program that does this work is this block. So I have stored a Flames word in variable f. Now this while loop runs until this variable f contains one letter. So this is the main for loop that does the traversing. So it will count the numbers till that 2 cut position, and if that 2 cut position increases the length of Flames, then it will bring back to the first position. Let's say we have 9 and this is only 6 letters. So so when it counts 7, we'll push that back to F, that is to 0th position. So this is what I'm doing here, and I'm increasing the cut value as we are traversing. And at last, let's say the cut value is 3 and we have to delete this A. So this is a function that will delete F. So this is the output we'll get, and this will run until we have one letter left, and after that one letter is left, we'll put that in switch case and we'll print our message. So I will run and show you this. The first letter is Ranbir and next is Alia. We get our output, you got love. So I hope you have understood how to create a Flames program. Show your support by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Happy coding.